going to start taping from another angle because I just felt like going in like that, right? The hangout was outstanding. I didn't take that much notes. I got 1 page of notes. And the reason is because a lot of the stuff, I have it in the inner circle. That's another product that we have here at Empower Network that I invest in $100 a month. Reason being, because if I was in network marketing, I will invest more than $100 a month on trainings, and I would not get as much value. Me personally, I'm getting so much value from this product that literally it can be $500 a month, and it'll be worth it. Tracy Walker on September 16th, 2013. That training alone is worth $100 and more, right? And that's just one of the many trainings within that product that has me so focused, has me about to make so much more money than I'm already making. Income disclaimer: you want to go to empowernetwork.com/income.php for the income disclosures. Okay, there you will see the typical earnings, the average earnings. I'm not typical, you're not typical, so let's not play typical games. Let's click the link below, because by now you should realize that it's not a game, right? Tracy Walker said no more free hangouts. So you guys need to go to my site, 5plus7.com, and watch the video and learn why she's talking about no more free hangouts. It's time for you to stop playing. It's going into 2014. We're in an information age, and right now she's giving you enough information to make the decision to buy the blogging platform to grow your business and take it to the next level. Reach your target market, give them the value that they need to have so that way they make the decision to buy from you.